Recording is rolling. It is Monday, April 7th. We got 39 days until the AP Physics exam, which of course on May 16 at 7 in the morning. I'm going to continue scoring practice exam 2 for response questions. You guys have packets for, well, as many as I had turned in, so not everybody turned in, but got to turn in and get the points, and as many of you guys have are out there for you guys to score. We're picking up from where we left off last week. Guys, multiple choice questions. We're going to go over right after we finish these. So probably tomorrow, actually, we'll start going over multiple choice questions. Looks like about half you guys turned that in, and Evan is in the lead right now for high score on MCQ, but still got about half the class to turn that in. Okay. Hey, also, one more thing before I get to this. My other classes, my honors classes and all of them are have to do a lot of electricity. Now, I do want to take at least a couple of days to do some electricity and circuits with you guys. So I'll give you guys a real condensed version of this, well, in the coming weeks. But I got a bunch of demo stuff within reach right now, so I put some stuff together for you guys. So compass, I got a couple of glasses of water. Okay. Now, stack of magnets here. Now the poles on these magnets are on the faces, so this is either north or south. And then if I flip this over, this is either south or north. They're all stuck together. Well, it's 3 tiny bar magnets, but it effectively makes one large bar magnet. Right. So yeah, you guys see how this always wants to orient the same way? Like I can spin this, however, and it's always going to orient back. It's going to follow like some kind of north-south line looking right there. Right. So there you go. There's a compass right there. Compass. What else can I make for you guys? Electromagnet. All right, so that's this right here. Now, right now, so this is not magnetic at all. Right, so I can't pick up this paper clip yet. Can't pick up the paper clip, doesn't do anything. Okay. Now I'm not going to put any magnets nearby. Right, so here's stack magnets. I care about this battery. Okay. When I connect the leads of this battery to this wire that's wrapped around this big old bolt, it's going to create a magnet. Notice there's no permanent magnets nearby. You guys see no permanent magnets? Right, but now I can pick up a paper clip. Oh, look at that. Right, until I get a little better connection. It's kind of working. Aha, there, that looks better. Right. But as soon as I disconnect the wire, point, the whole thing falls apart. Right, and it's not magnetic anymore. Right, there you go. So electromagnet. I could show you guys a motor. Now this one, right, it's kind of the trickiest one to get going, but see if I get this to work. Okay, so motor, I am going to bring in a stack of permanent magnets here. Okay. And if I get a electric current to go around this coil of wires, it should create a physical force, which should cause this thing to spin. Let's see. This thing was working 20 minutes ago, and throw some more magnets on this. A little stronger magnetic field.
Battery could be dead.
Yeah, it could be, but I just checked this a few minutes ago and it was working. So okay. There's a couple of shots, and yeah. All right. Well, it was just working. This whole thing was spinning around, but I'll give that another shot later, and if I can get that working or figure out troubleshoot that, I try that tomorrow. We'll see. Okay. Okay. So if you put a magnetic field next to electric current, you create a physical force. Right. That's what a motor is. Right. And the flip side of a motor is a generator. What if you put a physical force next to a magnet? You can create an electric current. Right. And that's what this is here. So got this flashlight, got a light bulb right here, but there's no battery. There's a capacitor and there's a crank, so I can take in a physical force and transfer energy to electric current, right? And then the bulb's gonna light up. All right, so there's a bunch of demos. Might circle back around to that motor, so I can get that working tomorrow. But let's do some FRQ scoring. Now, where we left off last week, should flip here.